have discussed about the properties of gases and the gas mixture also. And as I told you that the gas mixture problems will be solved in a similar way. First of all, you have to calculate the relevant properties or parameters for the gas mixture by taking sometimes weighted average, sometimes by other means, concept of partial pressure, and then you have to apply the same laws, that is whether it is a polytropic or it is isothermal, whatever it may be. So in a similar way the calculations will be done. So let us show you one or two problems on that. Okay, let me. So I'll, if I get it, then thermodynamic properties on properties, problems on properties of gases and gas mixture. So that you are supposed to do yourself, properties of gas mixture. Yeah. So if I go there, okay, let me go there afterwards. Now you can put your camera off. After the show off, we'll do it. So properties of gas mixture. I think this is the case.
Excuse me, sir.
Huh.
Sir, this is Jyoti Jaiswal, roll number 2020 MEB118. I recently got my branch upgradation and I am not added into the classroom.
Are you are not coming to the class? Kya hua yesterday?
Sir, yesterday my network connection was not stable. That's why I was not able to join any class in the morning.
ठीक है. अच्छा आवाज ध्यान করে গেল মনে হচ্ছে. That is the problem with connection and now also in the hello. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
But I'm not able to load it. Anyway, let's see whether क्या हुआ भाई. Who wants to share some contents of your screen? ठीक है, चलो कि problem क्या है इसमें? अच्छा, you lost your network connection. क्या problem है? Now the network connection is lost. Now I think you are being able to see whatever I am showing.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So let us see some of the problems that we have here or that is being already solved. So let's go through that. Okay. So now let us see. So already I have given is this too, but anyway. So a vessel of volume 0.4 meter cube contains 0.45 kg of carbon dioxide and 1 kg of air at 15 degrees centigrade. So vessel means the volume is fixed. Calculate the partial pressure of each constituent and the total pressure in the vessel. The gravimetric analysis of air may be taken as 23.3% oxygen and 76.7% nitrogen. That means it is a mixture of not only two, rather three things. That is carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, and along with that we have got the air. And air is basically we have to consider here that is basically a binary mixture of oxygen and nitrogen. Other things are small percentage are neglected. And all these are given in terms of mass. So since 1 kg of air is there, so let us find out what is the amount of air, oxygen and nitrogen in that 1 kg of air. So that is straightforward because it is 23.3% oxygen. So you calculated 0.233 kg. Similarly, mass of the nitrogen is like this. And mass of the carbon monoxide, it is given, that is 0.45 kg. Now, for each of the constituent gases, the partial pressure is given by, you can see Mi, Ri, Ty. That is, what is that? PV is equal to nRT, where R is the universal gas constant, or PV is equal to mRT. I think this equation is known to you. Now, in this case, now let us find out here what is the volume is 0.4 meter cube. Because when you consider the partial pressure, you have to assume that that particular gas, that is the ith gas, is occupying the total volume. Temperature is given in degrees centigrade, convert to Kelvin. So now if other things are known here, so the partial pressure of oxygen, now put the corresponding values of oxygen. Oxygen we have already seen. The mass is 0.233. Universal gas constant is 8.314. Temperature is there, and the molecular weight of oxygen is 32. So you are putting this here, and you are getting after this calculation. So whatever it will come, that will come in kilonewton per meter square. Roll number 16, Purva. Purva, nahi. Ajal,
Yes, sir.
you give the answer. So why you are getting the answer here in kilonewton per meter square? What is the unit of pressure?
Sir, bar.
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে বার তো বুঝলাম তো নরমাল what is the SI unit? What is the SI unit of pressure?
Sir, because pressure equal to force by area.
So what is the SI unit of area then?
Meter square.
Why meter square is the unit of area only. What is the unit of pressure in SI unit?
Newton per meter square.
এত সময় লাগছে কেন এটা বলতে? No, that is not the question. The question is why it is coming in kilonewton per meter square. Where from that kilo is coming? Whatever I have written there, PO2 is equal to this. If you do this calculation by calculator, this will come. Okay, afterwards we are converting by dividing by 10 to the power 5 into bar. That is a separate thing. But why that kilonewton is coming?
Sir, may I?
No. Roll number, last roll number 118. Either I 118?
Yes, sir.
Open your video. Open your video and tell me why. क्या है video क्या है? I mean camera. Open your camera and give the answer where from that why that kilonewton is coming.
Sir, there might be 1,000. We wrote it as
Okay, where is that 1,000? Obviously, some 1,000 is there.
yeah.
Where is that 1,000?
Sir,
Ajay, you are new to this, so but anyway, it is not related to thermodynamics, they're basic questions. Roll number 117.
Sir, in the unit of universal gas constant, sir, kilojoule is there.
Okay, that's fine. So that is in the that is basically that 8.31, that is kilojoule. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
that kilo is coming from there. That's why it is like that. Okay. So you must be able to answer this type of questions. Anyway, so you study this, okay? Minutely study whatever you have got in your book or whatever I have given. So that is coming basically, it is that kilo is here, 8.314. Because I think you know the value of universal gas constant is in kilojoule per, other things are there also. Okay, so that is basically kilonewton per meter square. And okay, now that has been converted to Newton per meter square by multiplying by 10 to the power 3. So if you forget about the division, that will be your Newton per meter square, or what is that called? Give some prompt
Pascal.
answer. Pascal, right? Yes, হয়ে গেল? Hello? Hello?
Hello. Yes, sir.
ठीक है. I thought suddenly it is going and all these things are happening. Okay, so that then you have divided this by 10 to the power 5 to convert it into bar. Okay, so in a similar manner, we are finding out for nitrogen what is the partial pressure. So put the corresponding values of nitrogen, mass and molecular weight. Other things are same. So you are getting in a similar manner 1.64 bar. And also for carbon dioxide, you have to put the values of carbon dioxide, sorry, carbon monoxide, and you are getting this. So carbon monoxide molecular weight is 12 plus 16, that is 28. So that is right. So then you have to add all of them and you will get the total pressure. So we have calculated from the individual data the partial pressure of each of the constituents, and then you have added to get the total pressure.
Sir, can you scroll up a little again, sir, to the question?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you. I just wanted to check.
Okay. So that is a state for simple one. So let me see the next one, what we are doing here. Just read fast, all of you. So a mixture of 1 kilomole of carbon dioxide. Now it is not in case in mass, rather in mole. 44 obviously the molecular weight, and 3.5 kilomole of air contained in a vessel at 1 bar and 15 degrees centigrade. So there is carbon dioxide. Okay, forget about whatever carbon dioxide is present in the air, that is very less. So actually we are putting from somewhere else. And air, because we will consider air to be a mixture of only oxygen and nitrogen. And air may assume to have 21% oxygen and 79% nitrogen. Is it by volume or by mass? Hello?
By volume.
Volume.
Yeah, because volume has got a relation with the number of moles. So calculate for the mixture the masses of carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen, and the total mass, the percentage of carbon present in the mixture by mass, the relative molecular mass and the specific gas constant of the mixture, and the specific volume of the mixture. Okay, so we have to consider all these things. So now let us find out. In a mixture, the number of moles of a gas is proportional to its volume. So therefore, Ni, number of moles of a particular gas is equal to the total number of moles multiplied by the fraction of the fractional volume, that is Vi by D. V is the total volume. So in here, number of moles of oxygen, so that you have calculated, just multiplying by that 0.21 and 0.79. So now it is basically a mixture of three gases, carbon dioxide, the number of moles I think is given, and number of moles of oxygen are also calculated. Of course, that is in kilomole, and number of moles of nitrogen are also calculated. So mass of the gas is equal to number of moles into the molecular weight. So for any gas. So then, so just calculate separately mass of the carbon dioxide because the molecular weight is given 44 and the total number of, that number of moles is 1 kilomole. So it will be 44 kg. Similarly for this, now we know the number of moles and the corresponding molecular weight. So you calculate and add them to get the total mass of the mixture. So now, then relative molecular mass of carbon is 12. Therefore, there are 12 kg of carbon in 1 mole of carbon dioxide. Oh, actually, we have to find out that carbon dioxide. So obviously, so the percentage.
Sir, please go to the question, sir. Please go to the question. I want to see the second question. What is the second question?
The percentage of carbon present in the mixture by mass. Okay.
Okay.
And
Okay, sir.
the molecular weight of carbon is 12, which we are calling as relative molecular mass. So therefore, 12 kg of carbon in 1 mole of carbon dioxide. Okay. In 1 mole of carbon dioxide, there will be 1 kilomole obviously here. So the percentage of carbon present in the mixture is equal to 12 by that. Now we have to find out the percentage of carbon present in the mixture. So in the mixture, there is not only carbon dioxide, there is also what is called oxygen and nitrogen. So that's why the mass of carbon divided by the total weight of the mixture, we are multiplying, and that is basically 8.27%. Okay.
Sir, 12 kg in 1 kilomole.
Yeah, because you have got 1 kilomole here only.
Yes. It's,
So because we have got 1 kilomole of carbon dioxide, isn't it?
yes, sir. Yes.
So that is 8.27%. Now we have to calculate the other things. What do you have to calculate? Okay, let us first find out the number of moles. So similarly, it is just simply the addition of the number of moles of all the constituent gases. That is basically number of moles for carbon dioxide, oxygen, and nitrogen. And they have already been calculated. So all are in kilomole. So if you add them, you get 4.5 kilomole. Then the relative molecular mass of the gas, that is basically the molecular weight. So I think you know this formula that we have adopted, that is the weighted average. So it is basically Ni, N1, M1 plus N2, M2 plus N3, M3 divided by N1 plus N2 plus N3, where N is equal to the summation of this. So this is written in this format. So you can say the total number of moles, that is N, that is a constant. So 1 by 4.5. And inside the bracket, we have written that Ni, Mi for the all three. So N1, M1, that is related to carbon dioxide. N2, M2, that is the number of moles of nitrogen into the, number of moles of oxygen into what is called that nitrogen. And similarly the other one. So that is 32.2 kg per kilomole. So this is not the molecular weight of carbon dioxide or oxygen or nitrogen, rather it is the molecular weight of the mixture. Because finally, when you do the other calculations, say for any to find the pressure, temperature change, internal energy, entropy or enthalpy, or any process, heat transfer, work done, then if you have to use this value of the molecular weight and the total mass of the mixture, because now we are considering, we are actually going to the steps so that we can consider that mixture of gas as a single gas. And if it is a single gas, then you cannot take the values corresponding to any one of them, any one of the constituent gases. Rather, you have to take the somewhat average or something like that, that we are calculating. So that is basically your, so the specific gas constant of the mixture is now, so look here. Okay, universal gas constant, you cannot do anything. So that divided by the molecular weight of this gas mixture. So that is already calculated. So there is the specific gas constant of the gas mixture, which is obviously different from oxygen, nitrogen, or air, or carbon dioxide. And then the specific volume of the gas mixture is obtained by using the ideal gas equation. So now we'll just use this equation, P is equal to RT, but we'll take the values for that gas mixture. Again, we will not go back to individual gases and do something like average. Rather, now we'll take the help of this ideal gas equation. So here the specific volume V is equal to RT by P. So the value of R, there is a gas constant, specific gas constant is already calculated for the mixtures. So there is 0.2582 and then it is, okay, that's fine. So there is the specific volume. So, okay, there is also, but we must do some heat transfer or something like that. It is, I think if it is not there in your, I'll give more problem, I'll put it there. So this is another one, let's see. The gas in an engine cylinder has a volumetric analysis of 12% carbon dioxide, 11.5% oxygen, and 76.5% of nitrogen. So as I told you that the gas mixture is very important. So what is the gas mixture? Where we are getting this? The gas in an engine cylinder. Which engine?
IC engine.
IC engine. So within that, there will be carbon dioxide, there will be oxygen, there will be nitrogen. The temperature at the beginning of the expansion, okay, there will be expansion, compression, all these things. So let us consider only the expansion process here. So the temperature at the beginning of the expansion is 1000 degrees centigrade, and the gas mixture expands reversibly through a volume ratio of 7:1. According to the law, PV to the power 1.25 is equal to constant. So you can see in a real case, that is in an IC engine, where we are. So it is not an isothermal process, it is not an adiabatic process, it is not an isochoric or iso. So there is, rather it is a polytropic process. Just go through the problem, just coming 1 minute. Okay, so then, so the calculate the work done and the heat flow per kg of gas, the values of Cp for the constituent gases, average over the temperature range are as follows. Cp of CO2 is given 1.271, Cp for oxygen is equal to 1.1. Kilo. Oh. And Cp for nitrogen is equal to 1.196 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. Any questions regarding this values? So the values of Cp for the constituent gases averaged over the temperature, what does it mean? Yes, gas. What does it mean? Rule number 111.
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of that? Hello? Arey, give some answer. Rule number 111. As anybody can say? What is the meaning of that averaged over? Bashu?
Sir, what's the question again? What's the meaning of average?
The specific heat of the gas, different gases, I think it is something like that. And the question is the values of Cp for the constituent gases averaged over the temperature range are as follows. So they have given some values of Cp of oxygen, carbon dioxide, etc.
It's the what is it? It's the CP value of the individual gases. We need to find the data for the mixture, I guess so. What do I need to explain here?
Now see, it's that who will see afterwards. Now just tell me the meaning of that line. Cannot end this video call yet. This call is being recorded. If you want to just leave the call. Why? Hello?
Sir, your screen has gone black, sir.
Huh? And it's many things. Just leave the call. What is this? Hello? My connection is gone most probably.
Yes, sir.
Connection is gone or it is there? Can you see this?
Now, yes.
Now it's
Oh, yes, sir. Now we can see.
Okay. So what is the meaning of this? Anybody can answer that.
So meaning of which line, sir?
The values of Cp.
Sir,
for the-
average of all the CPs of the constituent gases.
Hey, that is for different gases, different Cp's are given.
I think after a certain temperature, the value of CP follows this value.
Sir, because Cp varies with the temperature, for some temperature range.
So that is the thing. That is normally, as I told you, that Cp is constant. Cp is constant. Cp and Cv is constant for an ideal gas. That is known as a Regnard's law. But for a real gas, Cp varies. Okay, with temperature. So then the things will be much more complicated. That's why it has been asked that you take this value. This is an average value over the temperature range through which you will do these calculations. So that is the meaning. It says that yes, Cp varies with temperature, but for our calculations, we will take temperature, I mean Cp as constant, and that is basically an average value. Into
Did sir leave?
Seems so.
Vasu, stop watching reels.
Yeah, Vasu, stop watching reels, man.
जान मुझे टाइमिंग तो बोल रहे हैं.
Yes, Basu, stop, please.
Yeah, Vasu.
What are you doing in the class?
Yeah, Vasu, what are you doing in class?
What is this behavior? Recording is still on.
So you're watching.
Yes, no, what are you doing?
Wow.
Doesn't matter. Sam never shares the recordings, I guess.
hello.
Good morning,
Yes, sir.
Many things is happening, so connection is going on. Anyway, so I think you are not able to see that.
No, sir, no.
So again, I have
No,
to.
sir.
Okay, let's see whether I can do it or not again. Properties of gas mixture. Okay. Okay, I think now.
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Huh?
Blackout, sir.
So we can
my
see only a
screen
black
also
screen.
something like that. Just a
So
minute.
it's all black, sir.
To avoid an infinity mirror,
Not the
don't
whole.
share your entire screen. So nothing is visible, right?
Yes, sir. Nothing is
Yes,
visible.
No, sir.
Nothing. So stop
No, thank
presenting
you.
first of all. And then let me try again. Window. তো গেছে দেখছি Okay, I think you'll be able to see that. So you just come back to your video mode. Your camera mode, you come back. So all of you come back to your camera mode. Put all the cameras on. All the cameras on so that we can see all of you. Okay. Just a minute. So tomorrow we'll have, I think Saturday we'll have Viva, right? So
Yes,
for
sir.
some people,
Yes, sir.
and mechanical today is, what is the date
Which
today?
time, sir?
Huh? 28.
Thursday.
Timing.
It's Saturday.
What's the timing on 30th?
Just a minute.
Purva is asking for next Saturday.
कुछ भी
Support Purva.
Popo looks good.
Thanks, man. Pritam, why are you wearing a mask inside the house?
Vasudev.
Hello.
He likes.
Hello, sir.
Okay,
Tell
let
us.
me, so 28 today. Okay, first of all, let me tell you, what about Arnav Singh? Arnav is not here.
Yes, sir.
Arnav is here. Arnav,
Yes, sir.
where is Arnav? So
Sorry, sir.
Arnav is absent.
His presence.
No, sir, he's present. He's telling his name, sir.
So he's saying yes, sir,
Present.
yes, sir.
Sir is present.
Roll number 2, Joel. Bashu. Four, 5, 8, 4, 5. Rohit. Rohit is absent.
Yes, sir, present.
Rohit is present, but you are
Yes,
not
sir.
present in the last classes. Okay, I'll see that. Roll number 6 is absent. Roll number 8 is 7 is also absent. Roll number 8 is here. Roll number 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tamal. Tamal. Roll number 9. There. Roll number 10.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. So look here. So this is the first group. Okay, up to roll number 10. So 1 to 10. Your time is 11. From 11 we will start. Okay, Saturday, day after tomorrow, Saturday.
This Saturday, sir.
This Saturday, yes.
Yes,
That
sir.
was declared 1 week ago. So
Yes, sir.
Saturday is 30th, I think. It is 30, 10. Viva, basic thermo. So 1 to 10. Then from 11 is there or not? 11
Yes, sir.
is there. 12 is not there. 13 is there. 13. 14, 16. 14, 16. 14, 16. 14, 16. After that, 17 is there or no? 17.
Yes, sir.
17, 18. 17, 18. 19 is not there. 20 is not there. 21 is there. কি হলো এটা up to 10. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So up to 21. So 11 to 21, your time is 11:20.
Okay, sir.
So then 22 is there. 22 is not there. So 22 is not there. 23 is there. Abhishek.
Yes, sir.
So then 24. There is also Abhishek. 24 Abhishek. Vishwas. Not there. 25. 25 is there. 26. 26. Why everybody's internet is not working? Oh. 26.
Sir, his microphone is on.
Okay. 26, 27. 27. Then 29 is not there. Who is 29? 30. 30 is there. 31 is there. So 31. Okay, so let us take this. 22 to 32. 32 is not here, but still I am giving that. 32. So 22 to 32, your time is 11:40 AM, not PM, huh? And then 33. Which is 33, 34, 36, 33, 34, 36, 33, 34, 36. 36, then 30, 37 is not here, 38 is here, 41, 42, 42, 45, 46, 42, 45, 46, then 47, 47. So how many are there? That is your 32. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So up to 47. 47. So then 33, just coming there. 49 can come later on.
No. 33, 34, 30, 36, 38, 41, 42, 45, 46, and 47. Total 9, sir.
9. Okay, so then let us up to 49. Who is 49?
Sir.
49. 49?
Yes,
are you
sir.
there in the?
Yes, sir.
49, why are you not responding?
Sir, I'm responding, sir. Yes, sir, I'm present.
You are in the meet, but you are not responding. Kya problem kya hai?
Sir, I'm responding, sir.
She's responding, sir. बेचारी बोल रही है.
All sorts of projects. Anyway, so up to 49 is 12 p.m. Okay. Up to 49 is 12 p.m. and then after that, 50. After that 51. Oh no, after 49, what is the roll number? 50. 50 is not here. 51 is here. Then 54 is here. 54, 55. No, 55 is absent. 55 is not there. 56 is there. 57 is there. 56, 57. 58, 59, 58, 59, then 60 is not there, 61, 61, 62, 62, 60, what is that, 60, let me take the attendance first, 63, 64, 63, 64, 65, no 66, then 68 is there, 68, 68, 71, 74, 71, 74, 76, 77, 77, 79, 79, 81. 81, 82, 84, 82, 84, 85, 86, 85, 86, 87, 89, 91, 91, 92, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 100, 98, 99 is not there. So 100 is there, 101 is there. 102 and 4, 102, 4, 4, 5, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 8, 9, 10, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11, 11, 13, 11, 13, and then 17 and 18. So that 15, 16 are not there. Anyway, so that is the thing. So I have given you, that is for first day, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many of you are there? 100. Okay, so let us take from 50 to...
Sir, missed by 199.
Huh?
99, sir.
I think it's almost 100. So, so let us take the 5 best first day. 52, 52, 52, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 61. So 50 to 61, that is your 1220. So that is the normal procedure. Okay, the rest of the things. So these 5 batches, that is roll number 1 to 2. I can write down. Roll number 1 to 2, this Saturday, they will appear at 11 a.m. Then roll number 11 to 21, they will appear at 11:20. Roll number 22 to 32, that is the 11:40. 11:33 to 49. Sorry, roll number 33 to 49, 12. And 50 to 61, 12:20. And the other batch I'll take on the maybe on the next day. Is there any problem in the evening? Sunday evening, any problem? Hello.
No, sir.
No,
Not
Okay. So we may take that like that, but no, that is Saturday tomorrow. I mean, this up to 61 will be taken this Saturday. So what? Okay, as the time is given, your things will not start never before that time. But suppose someone has got time at 11:40, that may be delayed. Okay. So I will once that is over, then I will invite the other next batch through your classroom. Okay. So you can keep and watch there. That is first batch is over. So now enter the second batch. But your approximate time is 11:20. So we'll try to finish within 20 minutes. But that all depends on you. if you cannot answer, if you do not study, then it will take much time because I have to scold you accordingly. Okay. But if you give good answer, then okay, that's 20 minutes is good enough. Okay. Will not ask many questions, but at least you should be able to answer those questions. Okay. So if you have anything to ask,
Sir, Pritam wants more time.
what?
Pritam wants more time, so he's asking for like
Louder.
Pritam wants.
You are not audible, Bhasu. Your voice is
Not
cracking.
able to listen.
Yes, sir, Bhasu.
Write down.
Bhasu, please rejoin.
You write down what you are
Okay, sir.
telling.
Okay. No problem, sir. No
Because
problem.
your voice is not reaching me. Anybody else?
Sir, please add us in the classroom. Otherwise, we won't be.
So anybody has got any questions regarding your subject or Viva or meets?
Sir, Sampriti is telling.
Sir, please add me and Jyoti in the classroom.
Yeah,
Otherwise
any
we
problem?
won't be-
Any questions?
Oh.
Sir, Sampriti is saying add her and Jyoti in classroom.
Huh?
So the two new students are saying add them in the classroom. MEB 117 and 118. They are not in the classroom, na?
That I'll do 117 and 118. Okay, that I'll add. Okay, I know that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So hey, both of you 117 and 118, you send me a mail.
Sir, I have already sent
Where
you.
you send? You send mail to this address.
Sir, she is telling she has already sent a mail to you.
Again, you send a mail because I need the roll number. I'll copy that roll number and add there. So due to the non-availability of the roll number properly, you send today so that I can add it now.
Okay, sir.
375 @
She is telling okay, sir.
.co.in. Both of you send the mail that just mention that my roll number is this. My what is that issued roll number? I mean, not roll number. What I need is that email. Okay. Your email address is needed. So I'll copy that email address and I'll add it to you. So you just send this mail to this. Okay. Any other things?
Sir, Pritam was asking something.
Why you are not able to listen to you properly today? Other day there is no problem, but I am in full volume. क्या problem किधर है? Let's see.
Sir,
So
network.
Pritam is asking. So Pritam is asking that he
No,
needs more
okay.
time for the Viva.
Huh?
Okay, sir. No, sir, I am ready, sir.
Pritam is asking for extension of date of Viva, sir.
So he wants more time.
When, bhai?
Because there is no extension of date of Viva. That will be done on Saturday. And when is your mid-sem starting?
8th November, sir.
From
8th
8,
November.
sir, yeah.
Okay, it is far away, miles to go before that. Okay, so
Sir,
tomorrow
sir.
list, I mean Saturday list I have given, and Sunday I will just send you also. That is in the evening. I will take maybe from
Sir, then-
7:30 to 9:30.
Hello, sir.
So
Hello.
there is no point of extension. So my thing is that in this process you will read something.
Hello, sir.
And if you don't read,
Hello.
because if you cannot do well in this year, it will be affected in your mid-semester. I'll just check the marks on the Viva, and accordingly, whatever
Hello,
you write,
sir.
I will give marks according to that in the mid-semester.
So Pritam is trying to tell something, sir.
Sir.
Huh?
Hello.
Pritam is trying to say something.
Pritam, okay, tell.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Hey, Pritam,
Can you
where
hear
are
me,
you? Are you in your house?
Yes, sir.
Pritam?
Yes.
Sir, he's shouting, sir, for last 2 minutes.
No, why he is wearing a mask now in his house? Or is somewhere else?
Sir, he doesn't
Hello,
like
sir.
his
Hello.
space. Sir, he doesn't like his
Not
space.
ready, sir. He also doesn't know.
Hello, sir.
Huh? তুই মাস্ক পরে আছো কেন?
Sir, ওটাও ঢং।
ও এসব করো না, যেখানে দরকার you just do wherever is needed. Don't take it unnecessarily. This is not. Anyway, so what you are trying to say?
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, please read the chat box, sir.
Chat box. No, who needs time?
Pritam, sir, he was writing in to us.
No time.
Pritam
No
is saying
time,
he
time
can
because
do on
it was
Saturday.
declared
It's
1 week.
impossible for him.
Sir, 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 now you can hear me, sir.
Yeah, now I am here. I am
And
able to
last
hear.
2 minutes I am shouting, sir.
No, now I
Sir,
am able to hear.
they need time, sir. I don't need time. They are using me, sir.
Who need
Sir,
time?
Bhasu, sir,
He's telling
something.
us in me in DM, you are the CR.
Anyway,
which tells us.
nobody will be allowed to any extra time because it was declared 1 week before that, and for a Viva, it is 2-3 days is good enough. But I have declared 1 week before this, so nothing will be considered. You have to happen in the
Yes,
Viva.
sir.
That's
If
what
you can answer
I am
it well,
ready,
if
sir.
you cannot
Bhasu is
answer,
ready.
if you cannot answer, I don't know how you take the action. Okay, I mean, not giving marks or giving marks, that is not an action according to me. So action should be something else, but that is not possible now. Okay. So it was happened so that some people, I mean, couldn't answer anything in the, I mean, much in the Viva. So they had to stay there after 5 p.m. with that books on thermodynamics in the room just beside me. That is our seminar room. And they have studied there for 1 hour and then they have given the Viva. They have answered something and that was cleared. Okay. But that action I cannot take now. So giving less marks and good marks, that is not an action actually. Okay. That is something like you are victimized or something like you are avoiding. That is not. So the thing is that obviously it will be reflected in the marks, but not that much. So it is basically your preparation. And what I feel is that your mid semester is coming, so you prepare. So don't think that since we are at the home, we'll be able to write from the books and these things. Okay, so you change that attitude because now you're in the second year. So after another 2 years, you have to appear for the interview. So remember that. So don't waste time in that. Okay, you are getting a chance to give your examination from the house. That's fine. So you utilize that. You get good marks. I don't bother. But at the same time, you must learn something. So examination is something else. Learning is something else. So if you don't learn, so in the actual case, when you appear for interview, for a job, for higher study, for anything, so then you will fail. Okay, that should be avoided. Is it clear?
Yes,
so
sir.
We have vaccine second dose in institute between 30 and 30. So it's helpful if you extend the date of Viva. Who will take the vaccine from the institute? Ripon.
Ripon, yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
He will get dressed and then go to college to take vaccine.
Okay, so those who will be taking Viva in the institute, vaccine on the institute between 30 and 31, they come directly to me after the vaccine in the department. I'll take the Viva there. Okay. So come directly after the vaccine or I will go there. No problem.
Sir,
I will go to the vaccine center. Okay, I think Pandya Hall is there. So I know there. So I'll go there and after the vaccine, I'll take the Viva there only. Okay. So you just inform me, I'll be present there.
Bhasu will go.
You will take vaccine and I'll take Viva. Okay.
Perfect, sir. Ripon will be there for you.
So both
Mechanical 45, sir.
Yeah, both we are good. I think. I mean, good for health and mind. Okay, so. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The institute. You have enlisted your name there in the institute. Hello.
Ripon.
Ripon, sir.
We have vaccine in institute. So how you are getting here? You have enlisted your name there. Your name has appeared.
Yes, sir. I submitted my name in Google.
And then they have given you that date.
No, sir. Not yet.
No, institute vaccine is going on. I think most of the other members, like your faculty members or the staff members, they have got it. Anyway, that is also an important. Okay, but you should not mix vaccine due to Viva. And also you should not mix Viva due to vaccine. Okay.
Sir, what to do?
ভ্যাকসিন বারবার আসবে
Make some, don't take any pressure. Okay. So vaccine is first. And after the first thing, second thing, for that you will get enough time. Anyway, even after that, if you have any problems, so you can say anytime, no problem. Okay. So let us leave now today.
Ripan can do that both